MP5K Apache na finger cutter. So ito yung walang stock. So upper receiver niya is metal, lower receiver is polymer. Yung front assembly dun sa may parting grip is polymer din. Charging handle ito metal. And then sights, ayun yung sights niya. And then naka-round sights dun sa likuran. May swivel dun sa may supposed to be dapat na paglalagay ng stock. And then selector is ambi. So meron tayong option dyan, single shot, 3 round burst, and full auto. So magazine is metal, short mags. And then ang price nito is 18K. Okay, so meron din tayong available na isa pang Apache, which is the PDW. If ever na yun, yung may bat yung gusto nyo. Sige, test natin. FPS, hindi pa nagbasa. 321. 3 round burst. And then full auto. Okay, so nakulangan tayo sa gas. Okay, so for details, PM lang kayo sa page natin. Again, WE MP5K finger cutter.